Shabbat Shalom. In this week's Torah portion of Parshat Noach, we read about the famous story of Noah and the flood. And God tells Noah he's going to bring a flood, build an ark. And Noah builds the ark, 150 meters long, 25 meters wide, 15 meters high. 3 levels. He brings in all the animals. The Parsha opens with the frenetic activity as Noah builds the ark. And then the rains come, and Noah enters the ark. The ark is sealed. Then all of a sudden, the text slows down. And for almost 14 verses, we read how the ark slowly settles on the mountains of Ararat. Noah will send out the raven. He'll send out the dove twice, till eventually God has to say to Noah, "Tsei min hateva," go, leave the ark. And the question that we ponder is, what's going on over here? Surely, after spending 1 year cooped up in the ark, you would want to do anything, just get out of there. But no, it doesn't. He waits. He waits for permission from God. There's a fascinating medrash that says, according to Rabbi Eli, had I been Noah, I would have broken down those doors and got out there as quickly as possible. I can't stand anymore. Get me out of here. We all remember the years of COVID, being confined to our homes, the quarantine periods, and suddenly we were allowed out. The joy that burst forward to go out, to smell the flowers, to have the sun on our face. A feeling that the hostages who've come out of the terror tunnels of Gaza surely feel now. But Noah remains in the ark. And this prompts Rabbi Sacks to investigate the source and look at the verse and offer us an amazing insight. To build the ark and to protect the world, Noah was active. But when we come to rebuild, suddenly we find Noah absent. God has to instruct him, get out, go build. Judaism has said as follows, that when it comes to rebuilding, we have to have the same enthusiasm. It doesn't end. Noah did what he had to do. He saved humanity, he saved the planet, he saved the animals. But that is not where the job ended. Go out of the ark, start the rebuild. The world needs you to continue the mission. Why is it that Noah hesitates? The Torah doesn't go into details. But we do know that Noah plants a vineyard and becomes a drunk. Maybe he couldn't face it. Maybe he suffered survivor guilt. Maybe he felt responsible for not having argued with God to try and save humanity. But whatever those reasons are, it doesn't excuse that when a world needs to be rebuilt, we have responsibility to build it. And that is the great challenge. All of us will go through periods of deep crisis, having to deal with whether it is illness, loss of family, or even global issues. We deal with the challenge, and then we have to start the rebuild. It's as important. Saving and then rebuilding. That's the challenge. Did Noah meet the challenge? I leave it for you to discuss. But that's the responsibility and the challenge the Torah lays down before us. Shabbat Shalom. Hi, this is Rabbi Lewin. If you've enjoyed the content of the sermons and the ideas that have been expressed in the YouTube video, please hit that first subscription button and notification bell and share the videos with friends. We'd love to grow the channel and love to engage with you. Please share your comments in the section below. I'd love to hear from you. Have an amazing day.